Okay, what you're actually looking at is the early hours of the morning at Woody White Erie, which means eagle heaven, home amongst the stars. What you can see there in the background is a lake, which they call lake. They call it lagoon, Married Lagoon, but it's actually a lake. There are lights that appear on the other side of that lake, which are unexplained, which is another story. And in the house where this property is on is somewhere the star rocks have been buried, I believe. This is the property of Colonel Walker before he passed away, where I stayed for a year being a gatekeeper, only to find out that the Aboriginal Land Council owned it, and that got very complicated. It was a lease to what seemed to be like the Attorney General. Anyway, that's another story, but I'd like to just show you. Jesus said, consider the birds. Just listen to the birds, if you wish. I've got to turn it on first.
I don't know whether you can see that lake. Oh yeah, you might be able to see it. It's quite a distinguished looking hole over there in the clouds. And there's a mist over the land.
The men of the Jew.
On the other side of the lake. And there's a mist, a little bit of a mist on the lake.
Where I used to camp.
I hope you can hear those birds. Hear that one? I've got him going now. he put another knot in there.